Okay, today I want to explain how grid training works. So let me just flick you across to the another screen. Okay, so you should be able to see the screen. This is Shiba Inu, okay, and this is my USD pricing notepad. So what you do is you buy 50% of your money at this price here, and then you place sell orders equally apart, like I have here, upwards and then downwards down here. That way if the price drops, you'll be able to trade, as well as if the price increases. Okay, so I'll just minimize this so you can see my daily trades today, where I've bought at 25.42, bought at 25.14, then it's gone back up, so I've sold there, then I've bought back there, then I've sold back there, and then it's had a bit of a drop, which is this one here, and it's come back down. And so currently I have a sell order which is at 25.14, so you can actually see here there's my sell order, and currently that's the one that got exercised. So I'm actually keeping a track of where everything is, because as I make profit, okay, what I'm doing is, you can see this one here, the buy price is, so the buy amount is 1,010,000. Okay, so when I buy them, that extra 10,000 units there, because I want to keep it in multiples of 1 million, I actually create additional prices up here. So I'll add that extra 10,000 to this price here, and so forth. Okay, for every 10,000 I grab, I just keep adding and adding and making new price points all the way up there. Okay, so I've bought here and I keep making up there. So when it goes for a run, so the last time it went for a run, I've written a note here, max 1. It ran all the way up to here, which is 44.76. So all these got liquidated. Okay, now as it comes down, what you can then do is buy additional units down here in the lower prices. Okay, it's whatever strategy you want to take, but that's basically how it works. So when you buy here, these are all your holding, basically, units, and they're also your average cost average pricing, okay, as at the same time. Okay, but as it goes for a run, all these get liquidated. You're then just buying them, and if the coin just goes up and down in a trading range like it is at the moment, you can see by these trades, you're making money at the same time, and that's really good for sideways trading, as well as you holding tokens. It's the best alternative to this average cost method. Really sucks as well, because if you don't want to be buying here and then the price drops down. Okay, this is the best method for average costing. Okay, it's also a good holding method as well. So that's what I wanted to explain to you today. So thank you. I'm just going to end this video now.